Yeah.
What are we doing, guys?
See? That's mine. Can you take it off? There we go. There we go. So do you want to open it? Look
Evan.
at the monkeys on here. Oh, look at Lydia.
Oh, that's cute.
Monkeys. You have monkeys. Look at the monkeys.
I'm open yours.
See? He likes it.
Good job. That's
Grandma made it
cute.
for you.
Say thank you.
Yeah, Grandma made it for you.
Thank you. Sam's gonna test it out.
Yep, he's gonna test it out.
Lydia, do you want to open yours?
Look at the monkeys. Oh my. Look at the monkeys. What
Well, looks like it's 2-year-old approved.
Yeah.
Can I open
He's eating
here?
them.
Thank you.
Here?
Can you help Lydia open hers?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Do you like the monkeys on there? Do
Yeah.
you like the monkeys on there? Look at the monkeys. Should we take this one off? There we go. There we go. You want to open it, Sam?
I'm choosing.
Oh, we got kitties. Oh, look at the kitties. Oh,
Look, Lydia.
kitties.
Rainbow kitties. Oh, Sam takes it away.
Look at the kitties.
Pretty.
Oh, they're so pretty. Do you like your kitties?
Oh, they're so soft. Say thank you, Grandma. Thank you, Grandma.
He likes monkeys. Do you like monkeys? And Lydia has little kitties. Yeah, you have little kitties.
I'm gonna put on top. I'm gonna put on top of that. I'm gonna put